Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 15. Our learning goal for today says, I can write 4 and 5 to show total amounts. Okay, so we have gotten really good at showing numbers 1, 2, and 3. Let's work on 4 and 5. Okay, so 4 is getting to be a pretty big number. It's also very fun to write, I must say. So let's see, how many cats do you see there, friend? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now, when we write the number 4, we have to be very careful to make it nice and neat. Remember, when we write down numbers to share what we're thinking in our good brain, we want other people to be able to read our numbers. Okay, so I, of course, have more poems to help us when we're writing our numbers. This is the number 4. All right, as I go ahead and read my poem, I'm going to trace it with my finger. Trace down the side, oopsie, my mouse going crazy. Trace down the side, cross the middle for fun, top to bottom. Now you're done. Isn't that one fun? Trace down the side, cross the middle for fun, top to bottom. Now you're done. All right, let's go ahead and say that together. Put your finger starting at that blue dot. As I say the poem, you try to say it and then trace the number 4. Here we go. Trace down the side, cross the middle for fun, top to bottom. Now we're done. And that, my friend, is the number 4. Ooh, how many kitty cats do we have now, friends? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so here is the number 5. As I say the number, I'm going to go ahead and trace it with my mouse. Ready? Trace down the side and then curve like that. Back to the dot and give it a hat. All right, let's do it again. Trace down the side and curve like that. Back to the dot and give him a hat. All right, now you do it. Get your good finger. I want you to trace it with me. If you want, you can do it on the screen, or you can do it in the air, nice and big with your finger. Either way, we're going to start at the top by that dot. Ready? Here we go. Trace down the side and curve like that. Back to the dot and give him a hat. Excellent job, friends. Now we know about the numbers 4 and 5. All right, let's put our good practice into work. Whoops, 5 went again. All right, here are a whole bunch of lions. Let's go ahead and count and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, friends, I found 4 right there. Wait, what? Did I count all of the lions? Oh, no, I didn't. There is a hidden 4 and 5, but if I count them all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what would I write down, friends? Would I write down a 4 or a 5 to talk about all of the lions that I see? Yeah, I would write down the number 5, right? I would trace down the side and curve like that, back to the dot, and give him a hat. Hey, look at, we just used our good practice to show what we were thinking when we were counting those lions. All right, this is great. Our learning goal for today says, I can write 4 and 5 to show total amounts. All right, now it's your turn, friends. Here are a whole bunch of guitars that I love to play. I love music. Okay, friends, I want you to go ahead and write in your best handwriting the number that's going to tell me how many guitars you see. You can go ahead and write it on your dry erase board and then send me a quick picture so I can see what it looks like. I can't wait to see your beautiful, nice and neat handwriting. Good luck, friends.